At Bruckner's, we know parts. We are the Southwest's premier Mack and Volvo dealer, built on a culture that truly values our customers, our communities, and our people. We have hundreds of experienced and knowledgeable staff ready to help keep you on the road.
Yeah, that's our goal, is every day to talk to the customer, find out what they need, what's holding them up, what broke down, give them their parts as soon as possible so they can get back on the road making money, and that's what we're here for.
At Bruckner's, we have a large outside parts team of sales professionals who assist and partner with hundreds of customers each week. Our main goal is to help our customers stay on the road and on the job. It's a true partnership.
We make it a priority at Bruckner's to be available around the clock, utilizing many different online ordering platforms and resources. Bruckner's has over $30 million of parts inventory to pull from across all of our locations, as well as daily emergency access to Volvo and Mack's international distribution centers.
Our job is working closely with our customers to make sure they get the right parts and they get them quickly.
You know, one of our core values is we do whatever it takes to get the job done. That means whether we get that part from a different store as fast as we can, or we communicate with them on the process. It's very important to us to get our parts to our customers as fast as we can so they can get back to work.
We examine their unique needs, and we will find solutions in the form of OEM or all makes parts.
It's our job to meet their needs. We do everything we can to take care of our customers and take care of their needs.
Because of the size of Bruckner's, we have so many rooftops that we can get parts from other stores that other dealers or other aftermarket vendors, they can't do.
We have a parts solution for any truck, any make, any model. A full-service truck dealership. We are a single-source vendor for all of your truck and trailer needs. At Bruckner's, we know parts.